In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import photos into Scanner Pro on iPhone. If you've already snapped pictures of receipts, documents, or whiteboards with your iPhone camera, importing them into Scanner Pro lets you clean them up, organize them, and turn them into shareable PDFs, all without rescanning. I'll guide you through the exact taps so it's quick and frustration-free. Start by opening the Scanner Pro app on your iPhone. You'll land on the main capture screen with a large camera button at the bottom. Don't worry, we're not taking a new scan right now. Instead, look just to the left of that big camera button for a small app drawer icon. Give that a tap to open a panel of actions. A menu will slide up with several options. Scroll within this panel until you see the Import section. Tap Import Photos. This tells Scanner Pro you want to bring in images from your iPhone's Photos library rather than using the camera. If you see a prompt asking for access to your photos, go ahead and allow it. You can grant access to all photos or choose only the specific images you plan to import. Either option works. Scanner Pro needs this permission to display and process your selections. If you ever change your mind, you can adjust photo access later in your device settings. Now you'll be in the Photos picker. Browse through your recent images or switch albums to find what you need. Tap each photo you want to include. You can select one image or multiple at once, perfect for a batch of receipts or a stack of pages. If you're unsure about a thumbnail, you can preview it before confirming. Keep in mind that live photos will be imported as still images, which is ideal for document work. Once you've picked everything, look to the top right and tap the check mark to confirm your selection. This lets Scanner Pro know you're done choosing and ready to proceed. Finally, tap Save. Scanner Pro will import your chosen photos and start processing them. Depending on how many images you selected and your device performance, this may take a moment. You'll see the imported items appear in your document list, ready for enhancement, cropping, or conversion to PDF. If you're importing a large batch, it's normal for the app to take a bit longer as it sharpens and aligns edges. That's it. You've successfully imported photos into Scanner Pro. From here, you can organize, share, or archive those scans with ease, knowing they're now in a powerful document workflow.